Well, it is Friday, and like every weekend, I give my weekend advice. I'm getting ready to do a Zoom hearing in Ocean County, New Jersey, for my office in Morristown. Ocean County isn't too far from us, but that particular county in New Jersey is still doing remote hearings for the most part. We're doing a pretrial motion this morning there, and New Jersey, unlike Pennsylvania, I think is doing a lot better in terms of doing things remotely, especially pretrial motions. They've done a great job with their Zoom system. I think they're all on a uniform system, and that has made all the difference. Whereas Pennsylvania, it seems like it's been different depending on which county you're in. With that said, like I always say, if you're traveling through Pennsylvania or New Jersey this weekend and you are and you do plan on drinking, please don't drink and drive. But if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, you do not want to refuse the blood or breathalyzer test, otherwise known as the ALCO test in New Jersey. Remember, you do not have a constitutional right to refuse that test. With regards to a field sobriety test, like I always say, you have the right to refuse it, but just so you know, more than likely the prosecution will argue that you didn't take the test because you knew you were drunk, and they will argue more than likely some type of consciousness of guilt. So if you can't take the test because of some physical limitation, please tell the officer, I can't take the test because I have a bad knee or I have a bad back, and I just simply can't balance. In addition, please understand that warrantless searches are permissible in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, meaning police don't need a search warrant to search your car, but don't give consent to search your car. If the officer wants to search your car, do not get in his or her way, but simply tell the officer politely. Again, always respect police officers. Tell the officer politely, officer, I'm not allowing you permission to search my vehicle. If you want to do that, I'm not going to get in your way, but you do not have my consent. Make that clear. Remember, if the officer searches your car and finds something, you're not obligated to say anything. Even if the officer says, I can go easy on you, or promises you something, please understand the officer has simply no authority to make that type of deal at that place and time. Let your attorney fight that in court when the time comes. With regards to being arrested, if you are arrested, it's very important that your family contact the attorney as soon as possible. In New Jersey, there is a cashless bail system. It is based on a safety assessment, whereas in Pennsylvania, it is a cash-based system. Either way, I always advise having an attorney present at that bail hearing because it's very, very important. And this is the reason why we answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And most of our calls come in over the weekend. In Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. Both numbers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, GamboneLaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. One more thing, if you're traveling through Pennsylvania, understand that you need a license to carry a firearm if you are traveling with it. If you do not have a license to carry, that gun must be kept in a separate container, a gun box, unloaded, and the ammunition must be kept separately. Understand that if you're traveling through New Jersey, most people cannot obtain a license to carry. Therefore, if you're carrying a gun in New Jersey, more than likely you don't have a license to do it, and therefore you could be charged with illegal possession of a firearm in New Jersey, which carries with it a mandatory minimum 42-month state prison sentence. Please keep that in mind. If you have questions, give us a call, 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. In New Jersey. With regards to traveling, please be safe. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you all soon.